Hello folks, Richard Fontaine here. Now thank you for checking out my product review. Before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. That's what I said, $10,000 a month. Now this is an exceptional offer, folks, so I recommend that you grab it, and I have identified that product in the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can get the product from the second link in the description at any point during this video, and when you do, I will give you 5 exceptional bonuses for free. Bonus number 1 shows you how to build a Facebook group in any niche with up to 14,000 members and how to market to that Facebook group to make sales. Number 2 shows you how to create a recurring passive income online. And number 3 shows you how to act like a middleman on Fiverr. So when you get a high value gig, as an example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and then deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference in the process. That's how you become a middleman. And number 4 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And besides that, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. And number 5 shows you the current trends in affiliate marketing and how to outsell other affiliate marketers, plus much, much more. This offer also includes a list of resource articles for your benefit. Now, let's get on with our review.
Have you ever heard of websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer? Perhaps you've even bought something on those platforms yourself. It's no secret that these sites do billions of dollars in combined sales. Did you know the freelancing industry is worth $3 trillion? That's because the freelancing industry is exploding, with 73 million freelancers in the US alone. But here's the problem. If you want to make good money in freelancing, you must have some skills you're good at. If you get a wound, you go to a doctor and pay for their skills to heal the wound. The same goes for freelancing. You are paying people for their expertise. And let's face it, not everyone has a marketable skill people are willing to pay for. That's why I decided to do something about it. Hi there, it's Raymond Ogunto here. My team of developers used to develop apps for companies like IBM, Google, Adobe, Oracle, Microsoft, and many others. However, we don't deal with larger clients like those anymore, and we decided to help people that truly needed it. We've helped over 128,353 people start their first online business and helped them get traffic and leads rolling in. But putting that aside, ever since ChatGPT was released in October 2022, we've been working on a new app. We created an app that combines artificial intelligence plus freelancing. It's like peanut butter and jelly or bread and butter. Freelancing plus artificial intelligence is a lethally profitable combination. Introducing Nexum, world's first and only app that instantly creates AI-run Fiverr-like marketplace that sells AI-generated services like content writing, copywriting, images, chatbots, audios, voiceover, translation, videos, and more. Plus, Nexum finds and closes clients, processes all orders, and collect payment round the clock while you sleep. Nexum uses artificial intelligence to deliver hundreds of different freelancing services that are at the same quality or better than a human. Yes, you heard that right. Instead of doing the work yourself, our AI does the work for you. And not only does Nexum deliver the services, it creates your very own freelancing site that's just like Fiverr. preloaded with gig listings. Here's how it works. Step 1. Create. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Just enter any name you want, or you can ask the AI to name the site for you. Step 2. Activate. Turn on your AI-run Fiverr-like service marketplace pre-filled with 100 seconds of gigs in just a single click. Step 3. Profit. Nexum finds businesses that need these AI services, closes the deal with a click of the mouse, and gets you paid $1,000 plus over and over again. And after you've done that, you're all set. Your site will be up and running, and Nexum will begin fulfilling orders for customers. Yes, you will be able to provide hundreds of different services with the AI without having any knowledge on these topics whatsoever. The sky's the limit here. Now, don't wait any longer to get your hands on Nexum, because although we aren't charging a monthly fee yet, that will change. In order to support our server costs, we will be forced to take this action. So no, this isn't any fake scarcity thrown at you to get you to buy quicker. Time is running out, and if you come back later to buy, there's a good chance you'll be paying a monthly fee. Why do that when you could have taken action earlier and gotten access for a one-time price? Remember, there isn't anything else out there that exists. No other app can create you freelancing sites like Fiverr and provide hundreds of different high-paying services. Nexum is the only tool that can pull this off, and it will save you thousands of dollars, countless headaches, and infinite hours of work by doing all your tasks for you. And if all these features weren't enough to get you off the fence, I'm going to make this a complete no-brainer for you. I'm going to give you a full 180 days to test out Nexum risk-free. If you don't like Nexum for even the silliest reason, come to us and we'll refund 100% of your money with zero hassles. That means there is absolutely zero way for you to lose here. All of the risk is on our shoulders. So what are you waiting for? It's impossible for you to fail here. But do know, time is running out, and it's only a matter of time till the monthly pricing kicks in. Click the button below right now to get Nexum while it's still available for a low, one-time price. I can't wait to see you inside.
And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 a month in that first link below. You will not be disappointed. And remember my 5 bonuses. They show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic, buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference, gain reoccurring income online easily, earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system, and how to conduct your affiliate marketing business easily. Now, thank you for watching, and don't forget to purchase this product. Bye for now.